Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Thinkorswim desktop. In this walkthrough, we'll start from a blank browser and take you directly to the official download page so you can begin getting the platform onto your computer with confidence. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to your usual search engine. In the search bar, type Thinkorswim download and press enter. This phrase is the quickest way to find the correct page. You'll see a list of results, but focus on the official site. Look for the result from the Schwab website that references Thinkorswim and specifically mentions downloading the desktop platform. Avoid sponsored ads or third-party links. If you're unsure, check that the address is on the official Schwab domain and that your browser shows a secure connection before proceeding. Click the Thinkorswim download result. This will take you to the official download page for the desktop platform. On this page, you'll typically find details about the platform and the download options. Take a moment to scan for system requirements to ensure your computer meets the basics like operating system version, memory, and available storage. This helps avoid issues later. If you use a work or school computer, note that some networks may block downloads, so using a personal device and a stable internet connection is best. Now locate the Install Thinkorswim button on the page and click it. This action initiates the download process for the desktop installer appropriate for your operating system. Depending on your browser, you may see a prompt asking for confirmation or location to save the file. If prompted, choose a familiar location, such as your Downloads folder, so it's easy to find. You should see the download begin, typically indicated by a progress bar or an icon in the browser's download tray. If the download doesn't start, look for a small notice on the page offering a direct link and click it to trigger the file again. While the file is downloading, keep your browser open and avoid refreshing the page. If your connection is slow, give it a bit of time to complete. Once the download has started successfully, you're set. You have the official installer file on its way from the trusted source, ready for the next steps whenever you're prepared to continue. That's it. You've reached the download page, verified the official source, and clicked Install Thinkorswim to begin downloading the desktop platform. Thanks for following along, and great job getting everything started.